How to change name on Stripe. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change name on Stripe account. In order to do so, first of all, open any web browser on a device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Once in the browser, in the search bar, type in stripe.com. Then press on enter to search for it. Within a while, you'll be taken to the official website of Stripe. Here in this page at the top right, you'll be able to see the sign in option. Click on it and then use your credentials in order to log in or sign in to your account. Once you are signed in to your account, you will land on this page. In this page, at the top right, you'll be able to see different icons. Go ahead and click on this gear icon and then a menu will appear. From here, you will need to select Settings option. Click on Settings and now this will take you to the Settings page. Under it, here look for Profile option. If you want to change the personal details, then you can select this Profile option. And if you'd like to change the business name, you can select this Account Settings section and under it, click on this Business option. Once doing that, now here you'll be able to see the account name. Click on the account name and here make your changes. After entering the new name, now you can scroll down and then at the very bottom you'll be able to see the Save button. Click on it to save your changes. Also note that this name is visible to customers, while the internal account name can be changed in different sections for your own reference. After doing that, you will see you have successfully changed your business name or name on Stripe account. You'll also be able to see the updated name at the top left corner of your screen. So by following these steps, you should be able to change your business name on Stripe account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.